Alright, so I apologize for this video being a little late. I did not have a computer on Friday afternoon due to region drill. But I want to go over really fast what we're doing this week. This week is going to be a little different, especially with Friday. On Monday, we just crashed through and finished Gatsby. And you have one assignment that relates to the end of Gatsby. It's just your closing thoughts. I want you to write a short paragraph and answer these questions when you do that. The other thing we're going to do for this week, we're going to start looking at Fahrenheit 451. And with Fahrenheit 451, we're going to take a look at a few different things before we start the book. So for example, this discussion that's not due till next Wednesday, the loss of reading, is about how leisure reading has dramatically been reduced over the last few decades, and what's the cost of it, what's the result. And we're also going to look at this article. It's on 2013, well, I guess I could pull it up and show you. The 2013 banned books list, and for some reason you have to rotate it. I don't know why it does it that way. But it goes over a list of challenged books. Now, some of these are fairly obvious, and you may have heard of some of them. But one that a lot of students find very surprising is Captain Underpants is usually the most objected to or most banned book when it comes to books banned at school. And that just keeps on going and going with different things. And I want you to read this article, and there's a, let's see, the load. There's an assignment that goes with it. It's called Banned Books. You're going to research a banned book of your choice. Now, I'm okay with whatever book you choose so long as you have read it beforehand. You have to know the book well enough to have read it, and you guys have read books in class that have been banned in certain areas, so don't worry about finding one. Just look at books that you've read in class, and then I want you on a sheet of paper to include the following. I've listed what you need. I don't want to go into in that much detail. I want to keep this recording short, but if you have more questions, please let me know. So other than that, going through that article, on Wednesday, we're going to also have another ACT quiz. And I haven't put it up here, but it'll just be a 5-question quiz, just like the one we did last week. Just a quick review, and I want to go over colons and commas. I may or may not get rid of your ACT lesson assignment. We're running out of time, and we're pretty short on time with our 8-day schedule. On Fridays from here on out, we're going to be taking practice exams just to get you familiar with the ACT setting. And I spoke to Mr. Sanders about this. Just taking the practice exams more than anything seems to help you guys with that, and just be prepared with that. So that's what we will be doing on Friday, and we are going to start looking at Fahrenheit 451 and some of the historical context, but that's only if we have time, and I don't see us having time. So that's what we'll do for this week. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to me. Make sure you guys are staying caught up on things, and Mrs. Brown wants you guys to let her know if you are not attending prom. Just that FYI.